Hope you are doing well. Today I am here to explain about the descriptive data analysis based on the key variables which are both numerical and non-numerical. My It is based on the project data which I have given. My project data is the smartphone market analysis, their major trends and insights. So this is my data. It includes many columns like brand name, model, price, rating, their 5G network, FSCs, this NFCs, blaster, processor brand, speed, battery capacity, fast charging capacity, type of OS, and their camera, front camera, rear camera, resolution, heights, width, etc. We have more columns. Now I want to perform the descriptive data analysis on two columns. One is price and other is rating. So first I'm selecting these two columns. I created one sheet, the extra sheet for new. This is the sheet 1. I created this. Now I'm copying these two columns, price and rating. Now paste in the new sheet. Um, Now I'm performing descriptive data analysis, right? So I'm renaming this sheet as descriptive analysis. Now we want the descriptive analysis and this data column. We don't have that, so we want to go to file, options. Here we can see add-ins. Select that. Go to manage Excel add-ins. Go. Here we want to select analysis tool pack and set OK. Now we can see data analysis icon here. So select this. Here we can see descriptive statistics option. Select OK. Then we have to select the input range here. Firstly I want to do this price, right? So select this column up to end. Now these are columns, right? So selected column and labels in first row. Now we want to see the output range. I'm selecting output range. I want to place here, so I selected this column. I don't want new worksheet or new workbook. I want summary statistics. Confidence level, I selected it's 95, and we want kth largest value and kth smallest value. They're considered at 1. Now click OK. So now we can see these factors for the description analysis for price column. Next, I want to perform description analysis for rating. So again go to data analysis, descriptive statistics, and select OK. Now we want to change the input range and output range. Input range is this, rating column. Select starting to ending. And the output range, I want to place it here. And these are all done. Select OK. So we can see both the price and ratings description analysis data here. Now I can explain all of the factors here. Firstly, we have the mean. Mean is nothing but the average value of the data. The data which we have either price, this is the mean value for the price, and this is the mean value for rating. That nothing but average value. Next one is the standard error. Standard error is the measure of the variability of sample means in a sample distribution of means. This is the standard error for price and this is for rating. Next one is median. Median is the middle number in the sorted list. In this list we have the middle number for the price is 17,859 and for this it's 18. You can see the middle value. Next one is the mode. Mode is the frequently occurred value in the list. In the price we have 18,999 as the mode value. For this rating it's 75. Next, the standard deviation. Standard deviation is the measure of amount of variation in data relative to the mean. We have the relationship between the data and the mean is standard deviation. This is the standard deviation for price and this is for the rating. The sample variance. The sample variance is the square of standard deviation or the double of standard deviation. This is for the price and this is for the rating. Next comes to curtices. The curtices is a measure that defines how heavily the tails of distribution differs from the tails of normal distribution. We can explain this by using the graph, something but the line graph or the we can see by the curves which were difference from one to other. This is the curtices value for price and this is for the rating. Next, coming to the skewness. The skewness is the measure of asymmetry of the data distribution. For if we have the value of skewness as 0 or 0 point something, it's said to be the skewed value. If it comes with 0, it is symmetrical. If it's not comes with 0, it is non-symmetrical. When it comes to this data, we have the skewness because it is 0.94 for the price and minus 0.90 for the rating. So this has the skewness. Some data doesn't have the skewness, so it is not relatable. Next comes to range. Range is nothing but the difference between maximum value and the minimum value. The maximum value is the largest value in the given data and the minimum value is the smallest value of the data. So here for when it comes to the price, the maximum value or the largest value in this data is 32,999 and the minimum value is 10,499. Range is maximum minus minimum, right? So it is 22,500. Next, for the rating, the maximum value is 87 and the minimum value is 64. So the range is 23. Next one is a sum. The sum is nothing but the addition of all the values in the data, in which column we had taken. So for the price, the sum of all values is 64,009. It's 6,49,608 for the price and for the rating it's 2,775 and the count is nothing but the number of values in the data. So we have taken 35 values in this column, right? So the count is 35 for both price and the rating. And coming to largest one, smallest and confidence level, we have to go to data again, data analysis and descriptive statistics. Click OK. We can see the confidence level of mean 95%. We already selected it, so it's set to 95% and the value for the price is this. And for the rating it comes to this. Then the largest one is the kth largest value, which we already selected here, and the smallest value is the kth smallest, we already selected here. So this is the descriptive analysis for the numerical and non-numerical values for the price and ratings. Maybe I'm explained all then. This is the original data which I have taken for the smartphones, and this is the descriptive analysis for 2 columns which I have performed. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video. Have a good one all. Thank you.